am Daniela. I'm from Mexico, and I'm a second-year MBA student.
I'm Marilyn. I'm from Lebanon, the Middle East. I'm a third-year SJD candidate.
I'm Harsh. I'm from India. I'm currently a third-year PhD student in systems engineering.
A professional degree is a growth opportunity.
It's a degree you would want to pursue once you're done with your undergrad studies.
Professional degrees are diverse in the United States. There's a lot of fields to choose from.
I love studying a professional degree in the US because I love being in a country that values education and values intellect, and that will give you opportunities when you try and when you work hard. And I love being in a country where I feel hopeful for the future.
The best advice I received when I was deciding for my program was to be authentic during the process. And the person who gave me this advice, it was actually my EducationUSA advisor. I am very grateful with EducationUSA because otherwise I don't think I would be here.
So my professional degree is in systems engineering. I learned a lot of practical experiences from my program, and my professional degree is helping me gain the base knowledge that is applicable to multiple fields in the industry.
The doors that an MBA opens in this country are way more and very different from the doors that they were open in a different place. The opportunities that I've gotten from studying here have advanced my career immensely in a very short period of time.
My professional degree is an PhD in law. I was named an International Peace Scholar, and I was also offered to intern for a federal tax judge in Washington, D.C. So it gives me hope that it can be scary sometimes pursuing a postgraduate degree, but the U.S. has an abundance of these possibilities.
Studying in the U.S. has definitely changed my life and given it a whole different sense that I would have never imagined otherwise.